Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome. You just need to search for Chrome colon double slash flags flags. Press enter. Now in the search flags you just need to search for smooth smooth. Comes up smooth scrolling. Animate smoothly when scrolling page content. You just need to click on this drop down and select enabled, and now select relaunch. So that's how you enable smooth scrolling on Google Chrome, guys. Now you can scroll down smoothly as I can feel it. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.